Okay. Good morning to one and all. In the today's class, I am going to discuss about adder. So in electronics, an adder is also called as an summer. Okay. There are two types of adders are there. One is half adder, the other one is full adder. An electronic circuit which performs the arithmetic addition of two bits is called half adder. Means your half adder circuit will perform the addition of two bits. So there will be two inputs for an half adder. Here I have taken as A and B, and two outputs from the half adder, that is S stands for sum, C stands for carry. Okay. So the drawback of the half adder is you can't perform the multi-bit addition. Okay. That is the main drawback in the half adder. So here two inputs are there. Two inputs means 2 square, that will give rise to totally 4 combinations. Therefore 0 0 is in the format 2 1, 8 4 2 1, 0 0 1 2 and then 3, 2 plus 1 3. S stands for sum, C stands for carry. Now you perform the arithmetic addition of these two bits. 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Right? So this is the truth table for the half adder. Okay. So now you have to realize the half adder using a logic diagram. So here in the sum expression you might be observe the sum is 1 when A bar B and A B bar. Therefore the sum expression is A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, this is carry. So when the carry is 1 in the truth table, the carry is 1 when both inputs AB are 1 1, that is AB. Therefore in both inputs, that is AB, the output is 1. Therefore A bar B plus A B bar means XOR gate you have to use it. Right? Therefore I had used here XOR gate, that is nothing but A XOR with B. This is AND gate, A into B, carry is equal to A into B. So this is the logic circuit diagram of half adder. If we come to full adder, for full adder there will be 3 inputs A, B and carry in. So 2 to the power of 3 means total will be 8 combinations will be there. 2 outputs, sum and carry out. So we have to write in 4 to 1 format. These 3 are inputs, S and C out are outputs, sum and carry out are outputs. So I will explain for 3 combinations. 0 plus 0 plus 0 means sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1 means 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 means 1, carry is 0. In a similar way, 1 plus 1 means 0, 1 carry. 0 plus 0 means 0, you have the carry 1 here. So 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 0 plus 1 1 1. Like that you have to analyze for all the combinations. This is a truth table for the full adder. Means here you are performing the arithmetic operation for the addition of 3 bits at a time. So now you have to write down the expression. So in the sum column you have to look wherever you have ones. So for that you have to write the expression. So for the second combination you have sum is equal to 1, therefore 0 means bar, 1 means as it is. So it will be A bar, B bar, C, C in. A bar, B, C in bar. A, B bar, C bar. For this combination A, B, C in. Okay. So that combination I had written here, all four combination. So after that, from the first one you have to take A bar as a common factor. You left out with B bar C in plus B C in bar. In the second you take A as a common factor, B bar C bar plus B C in. So this is in the format B bar C in plus B C bar means XOR gate, B XOR with C in. This is in the format XNOR, B bar C bar means plus BC means XNOR, B XOR with bar. So this is in the format A bar, you take this whole term as B, A you take this term as B bar. Then A XOR with this component, B XOR with C. So the sum expression for the full adder is A XOR with B XOR with C. Okay. If we come to carry out, similar to the sum, you have to look for the carry out column. Wherever you have 1, you have to take that combination. So A bar B C in and A B bar C in, A B C in bar, A B C in. Totally 4 combinations you will get. You take that 4 combinations here. Then after that you take down the common factors. So from these two combinations you can take as B C in common factor. You left out with A plus A bar. From these two A C in, B plus B bar you have been left out. From these two A B C in plus C in bar. Okay, A plus A bar means 1, B plus B bar means 1, C in plus C in bar means 1. So carry out means AB plus BC plus AC in. Okay, so now you have to implement the full adder using an logic gates. As you all know that the sum is nothing but XOR of all 3 components. Therefore A, B, C, 3 input XOR gate. Sum you will get here is A XOR with B XOR with C. If you take carry out, here you will get AB, here you will get A into C, AC in, and here B into C in, BC in. If you add all these 3, you will get carry out. Carry out is equal to this thing. Now we can implement the full adder using 2 off adders. This is one off adder and this is the second off adder. Okay, so the output of this XOR gate is A XOR with B and this one is AB, and the output of second XOR gate is A XOR with B. You have C input here, therefore XOR with C in. You have one AND gate here. Okay, this is carry out. Okay, so for the carry out, what are the components you have here? A XOR with B into C, this component here, and then with add with AB, that will be your Y. Then you simplify this one. A XOR with B means A B bar plus A bar B. Then you multiply C in inside the bracket, A B bar C in plus A bar B C in. Here you take A as a common factor, you left out with B plus B bar C in plus A bar B C in. So this is very important one of the Boolean identity. If it is in this form, b plus b bar cin means we can write it as b plus cin. Okay, you can ignore b bar. Similar, then a bar b cin. You multiply a to inside the bracket, ab plus a cin plus a bar b cin. So here again cin you take common factor a plus a bar b. So here if this is in the form similar to this case, you can ignore a bar, you can write it as a plus b. You multiply with cin, you will get a cin plus b cin. That is, at the end you will get the carry out expression. Okay, so this about the full adder. Next we will move on to the multiplexer. So if you come to the multiplexer is a digital circuit with many inputs. Here you might be observe I0, I1, I2, I3 and single output. Okay, based on the selection of these input lines, this input will be appeared at the output. Okay, so this is an 4:1 mux. 4 inputs, 1 output mux, 4:1 mux. E stands for enable pin. If this input has to appear at the output means enable should be always 1. Irrespective of, that depends on the select line input. Okay. So here if enable is 0 means irrespective of the select lines the output is 0. Okay. So here if enable is 0 irrespective of the input the output is 0. So if you make enable I, then if the selective lines have a combination of 0 0, then I0 will be appeared at Y. If E is 1, this is 0 1, then I1 will be appeared at Y. If this is 1, if this is 1 0, then I2 will be appeared at Y. If this is 1, both are 1 1, then I3 will be appeared at Y. Next, you have to write Boolean expression. If I take first expression, you have E, you have 0 0 means S1 bar, SO bar, I0 plus. For the second expression, E, S1 bar, S0, I1. For the third expression, E, S1, S0 bar, I2. Fourth expression, E, S1, S0, I3. Okay. So now you have to realize this Boolean expression using the logic gates. Okay. This is the logic gates. So for the first expression E is equal to 1, 0 0 combination. Here you will get S0, S1 bar, S0 bar, and then E is equal to 1 and I0. So multiply all the things, at the end you have to do OR. Okay. Second expression you have E, S1 bar, S0, I1. E, S1 bar, okay, so S0 bar, S1, I2. Okay, in this way you have to realize the logic diagram. In the similar way you have to analyze for the 8:1 mux. For the 8:1 mux, there will be an 8 inputs I0 to I7 enable pin. Select lines will be 3, 2 to the power of 3, 8 combination you will get. Y. Okay. Similar to the previous case, enable should be high. Based on the select lines, the particular input will be appeared at the output. Right? Suppose if all the 3 selected lines are 0 0 0 means I0 will be appeared at Y if enable is 1. Then later on, write on the Boolean expression similar to the previous case. So Y is equal to, for this expression, E, S2 bar, S1 bar, S0 bar, I0. First term. Next one, E, S2 bar, S1 bar, S0, I1. So in a similar way you have to write for all the expressions. So now you have to realize the 8 is to 1 marks using logic gates, logic diagram. What is the first expression? You have E, all are bar and I naught. So E is equal to 1, S2 is bar, S1 is bar, S0 is bar, and then I naught. Okay. The similar way you have to realize for rest of the expressions. Then you will get the output. Okay. This is about multiplexer. We have one more, decoder. Decoder means if you have n inputs, there will be 2 to the power of n outputs. So you have 2 to 4 decoder, 3 to 8 decoder. 2 to the power of 3 means it will become 8. Okay. So decoder is a combination of circuit with n input and 2 to the power of n output. Here also based on the cell enable, if your enable get activated, then only your decoder will work. Okay. So first one, if I make enable 0 irrespective of the input, okay, so make enable 0 irrespective of the input, the output all are 0. Okay, for the 2 to 4 decoder. If enable is 1, if it is 0 0, then y0 will glow. If it is 0 1, y1 will glow. Right? If it is 1 0, y2 will glow, and if it is 1 1, y3 will start to glow. It will become logic. Then similar to multiplexer, you have to write the Boolean expression from the truth table. So E, B bar, A bar, first one, comma, for y1, B bar, A, E, for y2, B, A bar, E, for y3, B, A, here is not sum, individual you have to do. The similar way, okay, you have to realize the expression using the logic. It is a pair. E, A bar, B bar means A bar, B bar, I means B bar, A. In a similar way, we have to realize for a 3-stage decoder. So for a 3-stage decoder, 8 outputs, y0 to y7, 3 inputs, A, B, C. Enable should be 1. If enable is 0, irrespective of the input, all the outputs are 0. Okay. If enable is 1, if all are 0, then y0 will 1, rest of 0. If A is 1, then y1 will be 1, rest of will be 0. Then it is 2, 0 1 0 means it is 2, then y2 will be 1, rest of will be 0. Like that you have to understand. So after that you have to write the expression y0 is equal to, okay, y0 is equal to all are 0 0 means A bar, B bar, C bar, E. y1 equals A, B bar, C bar, E. y2 equals A bar, B, C bar, E. So like that you have to keep on. So now you have to realize this one using an logic similar to your 2:4 decoder. So C bar, A bar, B bar, and then you have enable pin. This is your enable pin. For y1, B bar, C bar, A, E. You have to write for all 7 combinations. I hope you understood how to write for the logic diagram for the 3-stage decoder. Next, you have block diagram of the basic communication system. What do you mean by communication? Communication is nothing but sharing of information from one point to another. So here is a block diagram of a communication system. Okay. The communication system mainly consists of three important blocks: transmitter, channel, and receiver. Okay. First, in this block diagram, we have an information source. This information source may be in the form of speech, music, or picture. Okay. That will be your input signal. So after that, you have a transducer. We are not showing you input transducer. So the function of the input transducer is to convert this speech, music, and picture into an electrical, because you can't transmit this one as it is through the chip. You have to convert this one into an electrical. That's why you are using a transistor. So then what does the transistor consist of? Amplifiers, modulators, and filters. Amplifiers will strengthen the signal. So modulator, you have to modulate the signal in the long transmission. Filter, unwanted signal will go filter. Then your channel. Channel means you may have cable, optical fiber, or free space. There are two types of channel. One is wired communication and another is wireless. Wireless communication is free space. Wired communication have cable and optical. So when the information is transmitting through the channel, noise may get added with an information signal. That's why I shown the noise source. Noise means it's an unwanted signal get added to a message signal. Okay. This for noise. Your receiver. So it contains the components or modules exactly opposite to the transmit. There's filter, demodulated signal, and amplifiers. And again you have output transducer to get back your